Welcome back. We are doing a different game today. As you might be able to see, we are doing like this scroller maze. And oh great, now. Why didn't I record this to like full screen? Great. Do it like this then. Okay, that actually works. Well done me. Well done me. Okay, anyways, this is what we're gonna make. We're gonna be making like a simple scroller maze game. So basically you need to like escape. There's an exit. I've already made this, as you can see, which is why I'm doing this. So it's going to be quite simple. It might have to be split up into two parts, I'm not sure yet. And once you get to the exit, ta-da, you win. To be continued. I have actually made 4 of these, and I am on to the 5th. I'm going to start making the 5th very soon, but at the moment it's just this. So first we're going to need to make a stickman thing. So we're going to paint a new sprite. And we are going to say, let's just make it 100, 100, 0. So look, this is going to be his head. And now we're going to make his body. It's going to be like that. I'm not very good at drawing stickman at the moment, am I? Okay, how about, scratch that. How about we just upload the sprite? I wonder, was that already in here? Please be in here. Yes, it's in there. Why did I not think of that? Okay, there's that. Oh, great. I have to delete all the coding then. Shame. And let's just quickly. Wait, I don't know why that's still there. Okay, anyways, we're gonna name this scroller maze. Okay. So first, never mind the start bit. Okay, that's just for my intro. First we're gonna say when clicked, show. Say how do I get here? I need to escape for 5 seconds. So when clicked, show. Say how did I get here? I need to escape. Okay, and today I'm going to try and make sure my video is a little yeah, thanks Carl for ruining my video. It's going to be a little shorter today. So first we're going to do that. So now we're going to say switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So now we need to paint a backdrop. Just going to fill this in, convert it to bitmap. Going to fill this in. Now I'd say this color 65, 100, 100. Fill that. Duplicate this. Now we're going to make some text for the you win backdrop. I'm going to make it grow. What color is this? 25, 100, 100. Might not need that, but anyways, so I want to make it pixel because it's like a game and stuff. So you win. There. Now we're just gonna make that a bit bigger. Make that stretchy. Longer down here. A bit wider. And a bit wider. And now it looks like you can't read it. So what we're gonna do to fix that is delete it. Okay, let's try that again. Let's not make it pixel this time, let's make it handwriting. Okay, now hopefully we can read it now. Yeah, that looks Yeah, I can read that. Leave a like if you can read it. Okay, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So we go back here. Switch, is it in forever loop? No. So switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Forever, go to front layer. So now we need the forever loop. Forever, go to front layer. As fast as I try to code this, it never does enough. Never does enough. Okay, so if touching color. So now we need an if touching color. Now we're going to need our maze. So now we actually need to paint it. I'm going to just use the same maze as I did last time for ease, obviously. I want to just drag the costume in so it doesn't bring in the sprite as well, and normal coding. Anyway, so okay, costume. Well, I just need to check. Good, still recording. Now, work. Oh yes. How could I be so silly? You need to paint a new sprite, and then you need to do it. That's better. Okay. So now, anyways, I'm gonna say if touching color, we're gonna get that, and we're gonna just hover over that. If touching color black, what is it? Broadcast you died. So now we need to get this. Broadcast. The message one needs to be you died. And now we're also going to say if touching color red, so that's the winning color. So we're just going to duplicate this. Hey, no, I don't want you to work right now. Stop. Okay, if touching color red, broadcast, you win. Okay, hide, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. So, hide, switch backdrop to, what is that? To backdrop 2. Okay, don't mind this and don't mind the start again. So now we're going to make a variable and another variable. Okay, just delete that because I want to do it for all of you so that you see how it's done, even if you do know how to do it. So it's going to call time. This one is for all variables, I believe. Yes. And then now we're going to make a new one called best time. This one is going to be a cloud variable. So there's that. Yes, I know. So anyways, just get some more space. Okay, so anyways, when I receive start, set time to 0. So when, oh sorry, no, don't do the start. When clicked. When clicked, set time to 0. Repeat until backdrop name equals to backdrop 2. So now we're going into control. Repeat until we need the equal sign. I'm just going to quickly make this backdrop 2. You need to type that, remember? Okay. And backdrop name now. Okay, so we want this backdrop name. You need to really put whatever name you named your backdrop. So wait 0.1 seconds, change time by 0.1. So wait 1 second, change time. Where was that? Change time. Oh yes, variables. Change time by 0.1. Okay, now we're going to go up here and say if best time is greater than time, set best time to time. Okay. if raise that, raise, right, yeah. Just go still recording. Okay, if okay, so time here and best time there. Set best time to time. So best time to time, that's good. So now as you can see, the time increases by 0.1 second. That's good. See? Also we just need to move that here for now. That's good. That's gonna be the starting point. Well actually I think I should change it up a small bit. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Maybe we could just start there and go on like up there and stuff. I'm just showing you the answers for this. Please do not use this to go to my games and cheat, please. Okay, is that all the coding in here? Never mind the one-click tile, okay? Don't mind that. I believe that's it then. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the maze. Been recording for around 10 minutes almost. Okay, I'm going to say, don't mind this again. Do this. Don't mind the start, but do one-click show. So one-click show, go to X0, Y0. When clicked, show. Go to X0, Y0. Okay, one click show, go to X0, Y0 forever, and we need 4 ifs. Okay, if up arrow pressed, change Y by -2. Okay, so forever up arrow, key up arrow pressed, change Y by -2 up here, change Y by -2. If key down arrow press, change Y by 2. Duplicate there, not in there, down there, make sure it's there. Change Y by 2. And now we need to duplicate this. Oopsie, so now you can see that works. So what we're going to do now is say right left, okay? So right arrow pressed and left arrow pressed. So at the moment it's doing what the up arrow and left arrow are meant to do. But oh yeah, we'll just quickly show you this. We're gonna have to change this to whatever colour this was. What colour was this? That was 64, 100 and 100. So we need to make this to 64, 100 and 100 because that's the colour of the backdrop, obviously. Okay, back to the game. Okay, so now this needs to be X and X instead of Y and Y. So change X by -2 and change X by 2. I believe that's it. When I receive you died, go to X0, Y0. When I receive you win, hide. So when I receive you died, go to X0, Y0. When I receive you win, hide. By the way, I hope you like my intro if I've found a way to finally put it in. I'm recording for approximately 10 minutes. Need to wrap this up. Let's see how much coding is in here, because that's the last bit, isn't it? Yeah, we can do this, I guess. Don't mind this bit, and don't mind the start. Okay, so when I receive start, so we're just going to quickly paint a new sprite, You're gonna have to make one of these. I've already got this. Maybe I'll provide the artwork. I don't know. Oh, come on. Just delete the coding in here then. When clicked. Oh no, don't say that. When clicked, show. Go to front layer, sorry. When clicked, go to front layer, then show. Forever, wait 0.3 seconds, go to stickman. Forever, so forever loop. Wait 0.3 seconds. Wait, what's that? Oh, yes, it's in here. And now we're going to say, go to, what's that over here? Oh yes, go to stickman. Okay, so now let's just quickly test it. Start that again, I think that lagged a bit. Ah. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, you know what? I want to quickly hide this. Only for a small minute or two. Okay, and we're gonna hide that. We're gonna just move this guy over here. Okay. Oh, we can actually. I'll say. Ah, no. So we're gonna move him all the way over here. Perhaps let's try that. No. Come on. So we're gonna have to move him a bit further down. So no, he can't fit there, can he? Here. That. Yep, that works. You might not be able to see his speech, but that doesn't really matter. So, don't need that. So, if this works, then, oh yeah, I forgot to do one small bit. What's this? No idea. Okay, anyways. When I receive, you win, hide. It's meant to be that. Let's just quickly check. Yes, good. Okay, so let's quickly start that. Touch a black bit. Good, that goes back to the start. Oh, come on. Okay, this is going on for too long now. Been approximately 15 minutes. Hopefully 16 minutes isn't too much. Come on, please. Okay, now. Okay, it works. That's it for today then. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.